Today, you will learn how to convert these fields into normal plain text in Microsoft Word so they stop updating automatically. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, let's quickly understand what a field is in Word. A field is special content that can automatically update itself. For example, today's date can change automatically every day. Page numbers update themselves, and formulas in tables can recalculate automatically. These fields are useful, but sometimes you may want to turn them into regular text so they never change again. Before converting a field into text, it's a good idea to update the field first so it shows the latest information. To do that, simply click on the field and press the F9 key on your keyboard. You can also right-click the field and choose Update Field. This makes sure the information is current before converting it into plain text. Now, let's convert a field into normal text. Click directly on the field you want to convert. After selecting it, press Ctrl plus Shift plus F9 on your keyboard. Instantly, the field becomes regular text and it will no longer update automatically. That's the easiest and fastest method. If you accidentally convert the wrong field, don't panic. You can immediately press Ctrl-Z to undo the action and restore the field again. You can also click the Undo button at the top of Word. Now, let's say your document contains many fields and you want to convert all of them at once. This is very simple. Press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard to select the entire document. Then press F9 first to update all fields in the document. After that, press Ctrl plus Shift plus F9. All fields in the document will now become regular text. Sometimes beginners get confused because Word may show strange codes instead of normal results. Let me show you how to fix that. Click File, then go to Options. In the Word Options window, click Advanced from the left side. Scroll down until you see the Show Document Content section. Here, you may find an option called Show Field Codes instead of their values. If this box is checked, Word will show field codes instead of normal results. Uncheck it if you want to see normal field values again. You can also quickly switch between field codes and field results using the keyboard shortcut Alt F9. This shortcut is very helpful when working with advanced Word documents. In the same area, you'll also see an option called Field Shading. This controls how Word highlights fields on the screen. If you choose Always, the fields stay shaded all the time. If you choose When Selected, the shading only appears when you click the field. This does not affect printing. It only helps you identify fields while editing. One important thing to remember is that after converting a field to text, it can no longer update automatically. For example, if you convert a date field into text, tomorrow's date will not change automatically anymore. So only convert fields when you are sure you no longer need automatic updates. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.